My name is Eric Koretz. I am a Los Angeles-based cinematographer. We're here because Rotolight has sent me their newest light, the Anova PRO 3. So the first thing I notice about this is the build quality. It's really great. It's solid metal. Front doors are really good. Seem like you have a lot of control with them. The light is bright and it runs full power off 2 V-mount batteries, which is extremely useful to be quick in the field. So the touchscreen feature is great. The different settings are great. You can go to different gels, HSI mode, CCT, the standard modes. Hey Don, can we black out the room or just close this part up? I generally like a soft light, and so I'm usually either bouncing it or heavily diffusing it. And in those situations, the more output, the better. This light has a lot of punch, which makes it great for that. So we're just using it as a bounce right now with a nice daylight balanced color just to see what the light quality is. Just bouncing it off of a white wall right here. And the beam angle is tight enough where it's not, dim this down, really spilling onto her too much at all. The barn doors are cutting off a lot of it. So, and action. Yeah, so it's just a nice quality of light. This is the Magic Eye feature. This is actually really useful on set if you go into a lighting scenario, like let's say you're shooting in a hospital and you want to match the light quality of the lights with like the overhead lights, which are really green with or red in this case with you know, your unit here. You can just hit the Magic Eye button, sample it, and it changes to that same light color. I really like this light for car rigs, especially if you need to move fast. It's small, so if you're free driving, it doesn't block the actor's view of the road. And running it off V-mount batteries negates the need to string the light back to a generator or a larger battery, which is a time suck. And using the app, you can control the smart diffusion, which is a great accessory, or the color for really on-the-fly adjustments. It's a great run and gun light if you need to walk with an actor or move fast. It's light enough to handhold, but still has enough power to be a soft key on your actor. Overall, I love the Anova PRO 3 for its features, its versatility, and power. This is one light that can do the job of many, and for that reason, I know I'll be using it a lot on set.